Hey, do you like saving money? I know you do. So today, I'm gonna be reviewing 3 fragrances that will save you some money. For the month of February, my numbers have been up, so I wanna talk it up to you guys. We appreciate the support and the love that we've been getting, the new followers, the new likes, the new views. Keep them coming. I got way more stuff for y'all in store. So right here, I got my first scent. This was Aqua Stella. So this is a dupe of Aqua Celestial by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is top notes of bergamot, black currant. Middle notes are mimosa and jasmine. Base notes are musk. This is gonna run you about $20. I paid about $16 for this. Summertime vibes in this bottle right here. This is an Aqua fresh fragrance. I smelled that one, so I'm gonna smell this one. I'm gonna see which one compares what's better. All right, let's get into that. The wrapper comes off nice and smooth. You know how we do. Kobe, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. All right, we're gonna push that out. It comes in a sleeve, yo. See, it comes off a sleeve, nice little sleeve. Same deal, just with the sleeve on it. Okay, I'm gonna unbox here. Hold on, let's see. Give me a struggle. Rip it up. I opened it on the wrong side. All right, we got it. We got it. Black top. You flip that back top up. See the bottle is a nice blue aqua color. Check that out. I smell it outside of the. I smell it already outside of the box. I just opened the box and I smell it. Okay, so we're gonna get into that. Kobe Bryant, as usual. Thing, you know how we do. We gotta get into the scent. You know that's very important. All the other stuff with the box is nice, but if the scent ain't hitting it doesn't matter. Nice. This is like fresh. If you don't want to spend, I believe that bottle cost about $300, $250. This bottle is $16 and you get more. That one is 2.4. This is a 3.4 bottle. Now let's get some on the skin. Let's see what's going on with that. Oh yeah, I really like this one. If you don't have the money for Maison Francis Kurkdjian Celestia, you can pick up Aqua Stella by Fragrance World. You're gonna get the same vibe, Ladies and men can wear this. This is unisex. Definitely summer vibes. The spring is coming up, so you can hit them with this too. This is summer, spring vibes. So next up, I got Aqua Avium. This is a dupe for Aqua Vitae, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. These are the notes: Calabrian lemon, Sicilian mandarin, Brazilian tonka bean, vanilla infusion, Hidion, and guaiac wood. I wasn't able to find those notes on Fragrantica, but I did do a little deep dive, a little deep search, and was able to get the notes for y'all. So next, let's get into this unboxing, y'all. See the side, they got the graphic of like a farm. This is Fragrance World. Fragrance World logo. Okay. Getting the plastic. First things first, we get that plastic off. You know how we do with that. All right. We toss the plastic. You know how we do. That's Kobe. One out of here. That's out. All right. This is inside of a sleeve. You slide it sideways. Don't rip your thing like I did on before. Just, it's a sleeve, y'all. All right. So we got the sleeve here. We put that to the side. Okay. Now I gotta find where the flap is. Okay, the flap is here in the back. Boom. Okay, open. We pull that, and then we dig down, and then we see that? This is a 3.4 ounce. All right, let's get it in the air. Oh, cap kind of tight. Lean back. Oh, this is a totally different vibe. This is like creamy. This is way different from Aqua Stella. This is more of a creamy vibe. They're both summer vibes. But I'm gonna say right now, this is gonna be the winner. This one right here is gonna run you about $16 to $20. maybe $22 after tax. The Maison Francis Kurkdjian version of Vitae, that's gonna run you about $250, maybe $3. I would say if you don't have the money for the Maison Francis version, go out and get this one. There's nothing wrong with this one. Okay, let's try this out on the skin. Let it dry. It's a vanilla orange, like an orange cone or something. I would have to rock this more just to get more familiar with it, but it smells good off the top. Aqua Avium by Fragrance World is unisex, just like Aqua Vitae. Last but never ever least, Amber Eve by Barakkat. This is an MFK dupe of Grand Soir. Winter vibes on this one. These are summer. This one right here that I got in the box, this is winter. This just came in. I'm gonna get my scissors out. All right. Open it up. All right. Get that open. Shout out to Amazon. Y'all see it. All right, so I got the stuffing in here. A little stuffing for the box. We throw that to the side. Okay, and then the box. Amazon, can y'all start giving samples? Because there ain't no samples in here. Kobe Bryant on that one. Boom. So we got the box here. All right, so let's get to this. Box. Open. All right. Get that plastic. Toss that to the side. Kobe Bryant as usual. All right. So this one is a little different, is it? Oh no, same deal. All right, boom. I got it out. Little struggle with the sleeve, but we good now. Let's open up. Let's see. The flap is here. Open. All right. Open the top. Open the top. You move the flaps. Peel it back. We got the fragrance inside. It's called Amber Eve. Winter vibes right here. Grand Soir dupe. Let's see how this compares that. Oh man, a little bootleg, y'all. Y'all see it? Let's spray in the air. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, this reminds me of Bentley for Men Intense. They do say that this is a unisex fragrance, but to me, this is heavy. My girl's behind the camera, and she's just turning her head because it's too strong for her. You shouldn't be doing this in the summertime at all. This is winter vibes, you heard? All right, so let me put this on my skin, see how it goes. Give it that initial spray on skin. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, this is Bentley for Men Intense vibe. Whew. This is good, but it's the opening is harsh. Very, very harsh. It's not for the weak. I've tried Grand Soir, and it's harsh too, but on the dry down, it gets smooth and everything comes out. So let me give you the notes. These are notes of labdanum, bitter orange, sam benzoin, amber, vanilla, tonka bean, cedar at the base notes. Fragrance World, Amber Eve. This is my little Fragrance World collection that I just picked up. Again, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate all the views, all the likes, the comments, the subscriptions, the follows, all of it. I appreciate it. This is my fragrance channel. Thanks for watching.